welcome to Sarah's Stamping Retreat. Today I've got a review for you, and it's a review from a company called Journalsay. Now, I'd never heard of Journalsay before, but they contacted me and asked me to do a review. But this is absolutely my own opinions. It's the first time I've ever seen any of their products. But they gave me a voucher to spend on their website so that I could choose my own products and give a review to you. So I will say these are not expensive products. So I was really impressed with how the package came. There was this box that was wrapped in bubble wrap, and then there was a bag around that. So you can see, even though it's an international delivery, there's very little damage to it. So let's open it up. You can see I've not opened it yet, and we'll take a look together. So there's the little Journalsay card. As you can see by their name, they focus on journaling supplies. The reason that I accepted doing the review is because I've been wanting to try PET stickers for a while. So you'll see when we get into it, I've focused mainly on those in terms of what I've purchased. So like I said, they gave me a voucher. How pretty is that, by the way? So I could purchase what I wanted. It was a $70 voucher, so what's in here is near enough $70, just slightly less. And because it was over, I think it's something like $30, then I got free shipping too. So let's have a look what I got. So these are stickers, and they're actually really large floral stickers. So you can see they've got this clear background, which is what you normally get on the PET stickers, and so whatever background you're putting it on, it's going to go right up to that sticker. You're not going to get like a white outline as you would do with normal stickers. So we've got some really pretty florals there, and then I got quite a few of these like different butterfly packs in different colours because I use butterflies a lot. And you can see you get 40 pieces. I think you get 2 of each design in there. And then we've got similar ones in blue. This collection has kind of browns and oranges in it. Then this one's kind of neutrals. And then we've got some pinks and some yellows. And like I say, I got lots of different colours of these because I really enjoy using butterflies. And let's just test one on some of this white cardstock to see how they stick. Yes, that stuck really, really well. And you can see you kind of get that shiny bit round the sticker. But because you can see through it, it looks really lovely on whatever colour background you decide to put it on. Or even like pattern paper backgrounds, that kind of thing. So then, oh, this was a watercolour set that I got. You can see there's some lovely colours in there. So let's just grab a water pen. I'm going to pop that so that there's some water down coming through. Let's just try out some of the colours, just to see what they come out like. Oh, you can see they've got a really lovely pigment to them. I didn't have to like swirl round loads to pick them up, and they're really nicely pigmented. I actually really like those. And then there are all of those colours swatched out, so I'm just going to pop that in there so I've got it ready next time I come to use them. And I have to say, I do think that these are better quality than the ones I've currently got. They're really nice and kind of creamy. By the way, they have actually given me a code for you to use as well, so I'll pop that in at the end. So you get 8% off your entire shop when you use the code. So I got these borders because I thought they were really cute frames, and they're just basically sticker borders, and I thought they'd be really sweet. So let's just take a look at one of them a second, and let's see how it comes off. Right, so you get the whole thing is actually a sticker. It's not cut through the middle, but obviously you could cut it out through the middle, but then you can lay things on top of that. So I think those are really cute. And there's 30 pieces in there. So then I actually got 2 of these the same because I think I'll use these loads. So you get 3 sheets in the pack, and then these are washi stickers. So you can see while I'm doing this, it's kind of like I'm weeding them. And I will say that this bottom one had a slight bit here that wasn't cut properly. So it's just ripped slightly, but you can't even tell. So those are really pretty. They're going to look a little bit different to our PET stickers. So let's put one of these. Let's use the ripped one. I mean, I say it's ripped. It's a tiny bit on the side. It's not really like, it's not like it's unusable or anything. So then let's put that on there. So you can see that this is a matte look rather than the shiny look of that. It goes really nicely onto the white. Obviously, if you were using a coloured cardstock, then you would see the white outline on the coloured cardstock. But those are really pretty. So then those are the 3 sheets that you get in this pack. So then I got this to keep the washi tapes in. These don't come with it. These are ones that I selected that they've put in there for me. But this is a really useful little box. You can take these pieces out in case you've got bigger things you want to store in there or anything. But I thought it would be perfect for storing all this washi, and it's just the right height. So then let's explore the washi tapes that or I should say the PET tapes that I selected. So first I've got this floral one, and these come off just like stickers. So they're like the stickers that we had before, but it's a whole roll of them. So you can see there's loads of different ones on there. I'm not going to unravel the whole thing. You can see there's quite a lot on there, but that gives you an idea of what you're getting on there. So that last one was called Flowersea. This one's called Beauty Night. And I like all these they're obviously nighttime images. They've got like gold foil on them. They're really, really pretty. This one is an actual tape, as opposed to like the last one was kind of stickers on a roll. This one's an actual tape. So you could use that for borders, or you could just cut them out yourself and add them on like that. Cut out the bits that you want. So there's actually a few different designs in each collection. So you go in, so say you press Flowersea, then it'll give you the options from that collection to choose from. So this is another Flowersea one, but this one's kind of more whites and pale pinks. And again, this is a sticker one. And that gives you an idea of some of the things you'll get on there. And I got a few in this Flowersea collection. So this one's sunflower one. And I'll be using lots of these in future videos so that you can get ideas of how to use them. And then this is the final one that I got from the Flowersea collection. So then this one's another one from the Beauty at Night collection. And they're really gorgeous dark flowers. And again, whereas the whole of the Flowersea collection was stickers, the whole of this Beauty Night collection is tapes. I think there's advantages to both. I like that the stickers are pre-cut, but these would make really nice borders, and you can also cut them as well, so you've kind of got the dual purpose. So then the final one that I got from the Beauty Night collection are these gorgeous butterflies. So they're kind of butterflies mixed with kind of postal designs, and they're really, really pretty. And then the final thing that I got that isn't in either of those collections is this really cute kind of Forest Friends type. It's actually called Friends of Forest, and it's really, really sweet. I have to say, I did think this was going to be a bit bigger. If I put it on there, you can see it's like about 1.5 inches. And I probably should have looked at the sizes. All the dimensions are on there, but it's really, really cute. It's got a really nice like storybook feel. Just to say that all of the other tapes that I showed you are about 2 inches wide. So then I've got another set of these flower stickers. These are really nice large florals, and you get 10 stickers, 5 designs with 2 of each. And then this set is called Full Garden of Books, and it's just PET stickers that are books with leaves and flowers and things on them, and you get 20 stickers in that one. So then finally I've got 4 stencils. So the image on this one is just under 6.5 inches square, and it's a really beautiful floral. You can see it better if I put that behind it. So then I've got this one, which is more of a texture, and that one's nearly 4.5 by nearly 9.5. So then we've got this brick stencil. That's actually the same size as the other stencil that I just showed you. So then this one is huge. It's around about 7.5 by 9 inches. It's just this kind of text background, which I really like. So then let's go back through and put everything back in the box so that we can see what I got for $70. So we've got 4 stencils, we've got this storage and 8 PET tapes. And like I said, those PET tapes you buy separately from the storage. We've got that really lovely set of watercolours. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bags of PET stickers, 2 of these packs of washi sticker sheets, and then this one which was the frames. So like you can see, it's really good value for money, and I'm really impressed with the quality considering how low the price is. So I'm going to pop that 8% discount code on screen now, and I'm also going to add it in the description below. So make sure you put that in before you check out to make sure you don't miss out on that discount. So I really hope that you enjoyed unboxing those goodies with me. You'll be seeing a lot of those pop up over the coming months on different videos that I do. If you enjoyed the video, I'd really appreciate you clicking like below. And you can also press subscribe if you'd like to see future videos. If you press the bell button and select all, then YouTube will also notify you when I've got a new video available. All of the products that I've shown you today are listed in the description below. And there's also a link there to my blog where you can find a picture supply list if that helps you find what you're looking for. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope to see you again soon.